Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make your own custom liveries for Assetto Corsa. Before we get started, install Content Manager if you haven't already. First up, find the car you want to make the custom livery for. Then open up Showroom, click on any of the body panels, open up TX Diffuse, generate the car texture, which will be a black and white image of the body panels, click on the save icon, and save it as a DDS file into a new folder into the skins folder of the car you're trying to edit. Next, use editing software such as Photoshop to edit the livery. While editing, it may be hard to identify which parts of the car are on the map, in which case you can use one of the existing liveries, download the map from the skins folder of the same car you're trying to edit, and open it in the editing software to compare it with the preview from Content Manager. If you have made it this far into the video, please consider subscribing for more Assetto Corsa content. Once you're happy with your livery, export it as a DDS file. When doing so, make sure the file name is the same as the map you downloaded at the start. Then move the file to the folder you made at the start of the video. You can go through the same process for any part of the car, such as the rims, as you can see from this photo. Your new livery should appear in Content Manager. If you want an icon and preview, add images with the following file names and aspect ratios into the same folder. And there you have it, you have your own custom livery. And that's it for this video. See you!